Hi folks, welcome to Schick Happens. I just popped into the house here to make a quick meal, something to eat. And let me tell you, one of my favorite go-to meals, sandwiches, is a fried egg sandwich. And I thought, you know what, let me film this and share it with you because I absolutely love it and I think you will too. All you're going to need are 2 eggs and some Cheez-its. That's it. Well, you're also going to need a couple slices of bread if you want to make a sandwich out of this. But again, this is real easy. I'm just going to crack these 2 eggs into a bowl and then whisk them together. The next thing I'm going to do is just simply measure out 1 cup of Cheez-its. Then I'm going to pour this 1 cup of Cheez-its into a sandwich bag and get these crushed up. It's not quite as fun as bubble wrap. Once you get them crushed up pretty good, just going to dump them in the 2 beaten eggs. Then we're going to mix these together really good. Just going to take a small pan, put some non-stick spray in it, set it on medium heat. I'm going to let this fry for about 2-3 minutes on one side and then flip it. I just need to assemble this. Shouldn't be too tough. Now I know what you're thinking. A lot of you are thinking right now, you know, if you would add cheese or bacon or sausage, jalapeno, insert whatever, that would be a much better sandwich. And you can certainly do that. You can add anything to this you want. But I would ask, the very first time you try this, just try it on its own. Those 2 eggs and a cup of Cheez-Its. Simple fried egg sandwich. I do not think you'll be disappointed, and a lot of you may realize it doesn't need anything else. Man, that's good. Still here? It's making one of these.